Peace. This is Ayrat, digital marketing specialist, also specialist and enthusiast in several other areas. This is the second part of videos about during consent mode. And we will continue. Now, you must understand, and I warn you, that this method may not be enough for you. For your situation, other decisions may be needed. It is just example, not legal or anything else recommendation. While doing consent mode, do your own research. And now I can do preview to check how it works. Review button. Inserting URL already made. Connect button. In debug mode, in preview mode, tag assistant pop-up. And here's cookie banner. Continue button. Choosing site. And in consent, we can see some consents denied, some granted. In cookie banner, I want to change reject all to only necessary, because in fact, when choosing reject all, some cookies anyway granted, to be more correct. So for now, finish in tag assistant pop-up. Here also close. And in text, I'm going to change banner text. And to change banner text, going to cookie banner. And here in code, I'm searching reject all by Control F, just reject all. I found two and change it to only necessary. First one and second one. I want to make disclaimer. I want to make warning. Be very attentive while changing in code. Very attentive. You must know code and be very attentive. Save button. And checking these banner changes in preview mode. Why in preview mode? Because I didn't publish, so there are no banners shown in regular mode, but in preview mode it will be shown. Also checking other things in preview mode. Going to preview button, URL inserted automatically, connect button. This is my website in preview mode, tag assistant pop-up, banner, and I can see that reject all, change it to only necessary text. Here also. What else? Check. Here, continue. Going to site. And I can see in consent. Once I checked in consent, there was no information. But Then I had it. But once I didn't have this information, and it appeared only several hours later after restarting. So maybe there will not be this, but it can appear later. We see in consent that many things denied. What will change if I'll do accept? And I reloaded page, and in reloaded page, and in reloaded page, I see consent granted. That's how demo banner works. Closing this, closing tag assistant pop-up, closing this. Thank you for watching. Main video will continue after this insert. English is not my native. If you see something to correct me, welcome, but do it in a respectful and polite manner and with enough explanations and proof. And one more important thing to do with this consent mode is I use Microsoft Clarity. For Google, this is made, but for Microsoft Clarity, I need additional step. This also mostly will work for Microsoft Clarity because they made some changes recently. But one thing in Microsoft Clarity I still need to do. Going to Microsoft Clarity, My Projects, choosing the project, going to Settings, Setup, here in Advanced Settings in Cookies, saying to Microsoft Clarity to operate with cookies according to my consent mode, consent banner. So here in cookies, I'm turning to off. So Microsoft Clarity will operate according to my consent banner and not by itself. Let's say simplifying way like that. Close. Going back to my Google Tag Manager and submitting the same made preview, same made in Microsoft Clarity, submitting. Publish. Continue. Let's check in normal mode if I have cookie banner. I think it won't be now. Because I already gave consent. Now I will try to delete this cookie and look if cookie banner will be. I delete cookies, skipped it from filming, just made in my settings without filming. Now let's check if cookie banner will be here by reloading. Cookie banner is here, also in normal mode. Thanks for watching. Make peace, make mutual wealth. Peace.